Soviet Union vibe. Welcome to
Serbia.
we're right in the heart of Belgrade.
Yeah, the capital in this part of the city is called Stari Grad, which is old town.
Yes.
And here is the view to the river Danube, and there is also a confluence with Sava, which is smaller. How do you like Belgrade so far?
It's been nice. It's
Yeah.
been nice. Everything is green. Everything is clean. The food is great, and you can find everything you need.
Yeah, people are nice. Yes, we like it here, and luckily it's not so hot as it was in Antalya.
Yeah, it's actually
Yeah.
middle of summer now, almost, and it is way colder than in Antalya.
Yeah, it's way cooler. It's like 28, 30 degrees in average, but it feels so much better even though they have a river here, and humidity is pretty high for a city like that.
Yeah, and we haven't used our AC yet.
Oh yeah.
That's a big one. It is
Yeah.
a big one.
So guys, welcome.
Welcome. Walking down the fortress wall, they don't even have a fence. You can walk all you want.
You are not even supposed to walk on that.
Yeah, that's the point. They don't even have a fence. They don't worry about, accidents and stuff.
Belgrade is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Europe and the world, and witnessed the rise and fall of various empires. Historically, it was one of the most important cities in Balkans and seen more than anyone can imagine. Being in a fairly strategic position, it was battled over in 115 wars and razed 44 times, being bombed 5 times and besieged many times. Belgrade was the capital of Yugoslavia from its creation in 1918 to its dissolution in 2006.
Some people even drink it. I'm not sure how safe it is.
It's like tap water, I guess.
Yeah. No smell, no nothing. Right. Every Serbian city has a street, especially designated for pedestrians, which is very nice.
Yeah, it's actually nice because they have all restaurants and cafes here along the street, and when it started to be pretty hot outside, during the daytime they also have those fans spraying water to people. not just everybody, I mean, but to the clients at least. But it's enough to catch a fresh vibe when you're walking down the street.
The city historical neighborhoods have epic examples of socialist and brutalist architecture, cobblestone streets, magnificent buildings, marvelous domes, and intricate mosaics. It is a really cool place to visit and hang out, which is also widely known for its nightlife.
The most challenging part of traveling to Serbia probably is going to be the Serbian language. Just look at this. Somebody's driving. So basically they use Cyrillic and they use Latin all at the same time. So this one is information about public transportation and how can you buy a ticket to a bus. They write everything in Cyrillic. Let me show you a little bit around. Like in this commercial, they also write in Latin. And it's about challenging part of it, because they're not even trying to make it convenient for tourists, I suppose, because they don't translate anything.
For the buses, yes, I agree. It's really more convenient if they put like a separate banner or a separate sticker with everything in English. Because even though if they use, instead of Cyrillic, they use Latin letters for how the bus works, for the description sticker, it doesn't make any sense for people. So it needs to be translated, yes.
One of the cool things about Belgrade that it is so green. Despite the daytime heat, which is not violent at least yet, you can easily find a shade and hide in it. City has quite a lot of parks, trees along the streets and tons of greenery, so it doesn't feel like a concrete jungle at all. It's really nice to walk in the shade.
Even here in Serbia, the infrastructure for electric cars is coming to you. I mean, you don't see that very often when an electric car can charge right in the city center.
There is one thing that hits the eye, especially in the city center, is those ugly graffitis. It's sad to see when all those architectural masterpieces are covered in graffitis. Some buildings, though, seem to be clean, but others don't. So we really hope city management can do something with that problem, remove graffitis and prevent from having new ones.
So regarding the safety, this one is a little bit iffy in many ways, because like as you probably know, Balkans, like the whole region had multiple of wars, and local populations still have some guns left over.
Yeah, you probably heard of shooting this year for a couple of times already.
But as a tourist, there is nothing to worry about, really, because we've been here for a few months already, and we would occasionally just walk any time of the day. Like it actually doesn't matter if you go out in the day, in the night, in the middle of the night. If there is something going on, and local people tend to sort everything themselves. They don't involve people who came from elsewhere.
Yeah, the city is nice and people are nice, and there are a lot of tourists from all over the world, like Europe, the US and Asian countries and the rest. So
like in any touristy places, you should use common sense.
yeah, it's like the rest is safe, so don't worry.
Yeah.
Come to Balkans.
Come to Balkans, it's a great place. Zdravo, brate.
Hello. So, guys, hi. Here is the apartment. This is the entrance area. It's pretty tiny, but still comfortable. Yes, we have racks, we have shoe shelves, we have our luggage on top, yes, because it didn't fit anywhere. So, let me give you the phone now. Okay, so here on the left we have our living room. Yeah, come on. What we noticed in apartments, in most apartments in Serbia, they have a huge sofa, a huge, comfortable, nice one, decent sofa, and a TV to be able to enjoy everything.
Soccer, I suppose.
Oh.
They're huge fans.
Soccer, movies, series, etc. Yes, but I think some people have even bigger TVs here, so yeah, you have a small table to put your beer on or to put your coffee on. Also, yes, have a look at our super comfy balcony.
Oh.
Yeah, this is so nice. Yes, let me show you. Let me show you. Yes, you take your coffee and you take a seat and you enjoy. Yeah, also you can dry your clothes here. So,
Have AC.
yes.
It's already July, but we didn't use it yet.
Yeah, it's nice here. It's really nice, and it's not as hot as in Turkey, for example. So we didn't even turn it on yet. Yes, but we'll see how it goes. It's like 30 degrees max during the day, and at night it's nice, like 18 something. So, yeah. Let me show you the bathroom. Yeah, this is pretty small, so I decided up. Yes, so here is the bathroom. We have a sink, a shower here. Yeah, and also a washing machine is here. Yeah. Oh yes, and by the way, they have electric heaters here in Serbia. Hello.
Right.
Yes. So next up we have kitchen. It's not really big as well, yeah, but still has everything you basically need. Yes, hold it for me, please. Yes, I need to show you. I believe this table is from IKEA. So what you can do here is, yes, like that. And you have your chairs. Yeah, so nice and cozy. Yes, a little bit small, and I prefer when they have more light in kitchen. Yes, so but there is no windows here.
They even have microwave.
But I still need a bit of milk, full fat, which I've warmed in the microwave.
Yes, they have a microwave, which is pretty rare, I guess, in Serbian apartments.
And especially in combination with an oven.
They have ovens, but some locals said that yes, they don't
Yeah, but
use microwaves pretty much, yeah. Also, here is the bedroom. Super minimalistic. You have a rack, you have a bed, and here we have a wardrobe. That's it. That's what you need, yes. And I want one more thing to show you. Yeah, this is pretty cool. We didn't see such things in Turkey, yes.
Pretty much anywhere else.
Yes.
It's probably standard everywhere in the world.
Yeah, like as you can see, they have just a small curtain and they don't have those blackout curtains. So what we do here is, yes, you see, it's like a switch, but it's not. This is what happens. It's dark now.
Unfortunately, it doesn't have a timer, so you could set it to open in the morning.
Yeah, that would be just great. Because before we stopped at a few Airbnbs here in Belgrade actually, and what we had is there was no electrical control. They had just basically a thin rope, and you have to pull it yourself. to be able to open the curtain, and that's it. So this is the first time we see that it's motorized.
Yeah, fancy.
Yeah, so this is the apartment. We're gonna stay here for some time. Yeah, and we'll continue our adventures here in Balkans. Yeah, see you.
Yeah, join the fun.
Yeah, bye guys.